How to set up your account and log in MyFitnessPal's website. First step is to create an account using your email and a password. Once you've successfully created your account, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself. Once you've entered your information, you'll be at your home screen where you can add a picture of yourself for the account.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's go now.
You'll also be asked to verify your email address. Now that you've taken all the preliminary steps, you can start adding your food. Personally, I intermittent fast, so I only show 2 meals per day. That can be adjusted in the settings. Now we can start adding food. Be aware, this is a user-run app, so not every entry is going to be correct. Double check your nutrition facts so that you know you've got yours right. When I'm not sure about one of my entries, I always go to nutritiondata.self.com to double check the nutrition facts. They have everything you can think of and they're always accurate. Once you've completely entered a meal, you can look at the bottom of the page and see how many calories, carbs, fat, protein, sodium, and sugar you have remaining for the rest of the day. When you've finished logging all your meals, you can see where you ended for the day with your calories and your macros. Don't forget to complete your entry so you can see where your projected weight loss lies.